Urban gardening is a powerful way to connect with nature right in the heart of the city. By cultivating your own food, you're not only enjoying fresh produce but also reducing your carbon footprint and minimizing waste. Start by choosing plants that thrive in your local environment, whether it's herbs on a windowsill or veggies in a rooftop garden. Embrace companion planting to enhance biodiversity and create a thriving ecosystem. As you nurture your garden, you'll find solace in the process, watching nature flourish while enjoying the fruits of your labor. So grab those seeds and start your sustainable journey today.